In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add VAT in QuickBooks. Adding VAT in QuickBooks can streamline your financial tracking and ensure you're managing your taxes correctly. So let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to QuickBooks Online. Once you've logged in, the next step is to locate the Taxes section. On your dashboard, you'll notice a menu on the left sidebar. Take a moment to navigate down this menu until you find Taxes, and go ahead and click on it. This will bring up your tax overview page where the magic begins. On the Taxes page, you're going to see an option labeled Add Tax. This is where you initiate the process of setting up your VAT. Click on Add Tax and you'll be prompted with an option to add the tax rate. Next, select Tax Rate, which will allow you to name your new VAT rate. This is your chance to input a name that will make it easy for you to recognize this VAT rate later on. A straightforward approach is to use your country's name followed by VAT to keep things clear and simple. Moving forward, you'll need to focus on the field dedicated to entering details about the tax rate itself. In this area, you'll input crucial information such as the VAT percentage that you're applying. It's a good idea to double-check these numbers to avoid any inaccuracies in your financial reporting, as this can greatly impact the tracking of your finances. With the tax rate specified, you'll proceed to the Tax Agency section. It's important to ensure that the tax agency you select aligns with the relevant regulatory body that governs your business operations. Once the appropriate tax agency is selected, you'll have the opportunity to input your purchase rate, if applicable. This step is integral as it enables you to track any VAT you can reclaim on purchases made by your business. Such details play a vital role in maintaining accurate tax records. Moving on, you'll be prompted to choose the account that this VAT will be associated with. Choose the correct account carefully, as it will determine where VAT transactions are recorded. Finally, take a little time to review all the information you've entered. Verify its accuracy, and once you're satisfied, click on Save. With that done, you've successfully added VAT to your QuickBooks account. You're now equipped to manage your VAT more effectively within the platform. Thank you for following along, and happy bookkeeping.